Okay, so today we are going to be installing this guy because I'm running out of space on my computer. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys up right there, and then I'll be using these guys to give you more of a, first person view. Alright, first things first, we've got some Velcro stuff. You will need Velcro, preferably dots, but this is all I've got. Alright, so we got all our Velcro pieces. Now I just need to lay out on the laptop where I want all these guys to go. Let's open this guy. Ooh. Okay. Remove before installing. Removed. Alright, next we have our case. So since we're basically taking a solid state drive and making an external drive, we're kind of saving a little bit of money here. This case will protect this dude and allow me to stick it on here. Alright. Oh, it slides. Okay. So you just boop, slides open. Alright, and then we take this guy, and plug you in right there. Okay. Hello? Excuse me. Click. Alright. Looks pretty nice. Yeah? Okay. This guy plugs in here like so, and then you just plug it into your laptop. Alright, so let's see how we do this. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Okay, we're gonna take HD1, hard drive 1. So if we line them up like this, got the solid state drive here, and then if I put this here and run the cable opposite direction, have it here. It's just like so inefficient. I want all the cables to run this way, but that would require that I have a port or something that allows me multiple USBs. I feel like I have one actually. Have you? Yeah, this will do. I've got you. Plug you in here. Ooh. Okay. Alright, hold on. So I've got this guy, right? So that like turns on each of these, and it's 4 USB ports. So I'm thinking, take this, plug it in here, and pop this guy on the top like this, then take all these cords, plug them in this way. might work, actually. And then I could put these guys in any order, but they would all stick pretty close together. I mean, even if I were to put like one here, kind of space these out a little bit more. In reality, I only need 1 and 1. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. I'm just gonna double check something. That I can. Yeah. So this is a good point. So as I need to make sure that I can open and close it, drop it a little lower so I can like fully open and close that. So it looks like here's a better spot. So we're gonna get started cutting some Velcro, and then I'll show you the finished product. So I think we'll do, I should do this one, which is like a strip. It actually fits perfectly on here. Unfortunately, that kind of covers up the model number and stuff. Should probably take a picture of that before I do that. And this just allows us to take everything off. We don't want it to be permanently stuck to this. I want to be able to take these things off so that when I'm traveling it all fits in a case and I don't damage anything. Hello? Please get off. Oh. Gotcha. Oh, no. There we go. So here's the layout. Laptop storage, working file storage, archival, copy, and then second copy. Because I've lost footage before, and I will not let that happen again. We back up all of our files twice, just in case. Alright, shall we test it? It's working. I see this light on. I see this light on. I see that light on. Disk inserter is not readable by this computer. Well, that's no bueno. Alright, so we figured everything out. This is all in working order now. We just had to format him, so now he's compatible with Mac. And this is what the whole setup looks like on the back. I got that from another YouTuber, got that from another YouTuber, and so on and so forth. So I will link their video down below. You can watch that. I'll come up with another video showing you guys how to set up. In case you're looking to edit anything on iMovie, I'll show you exactly what to do, and then when I switch over to Premiere, I'll do another video on that. But until then, like this video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell if you want to know when I upload a new video. Leave any comments down below if you have any questions, concerns, suggestions. Until next time, see you guys later.